Hello friends, I am Bright. In this video, I am going to explain about the Stream API which was introduced in Java 8. Stream is a sequence of data. The data can be objects or primitive types. To support the primitive type, the Stream API provides IntStream, LongStream and DoubleStream, where IntStream is for primitive integer, LongStream is for primitive long, DoubleStream is for primitive double. Now I am going to demonstrate these three primitive types on my IntelliJ IDE. Now I am creating a package, let us say primitive. Now in this primitive I am going to create a main class, main method. So first I am going to create a stream of specified int values. For that, we can use the type IntStream. So using the type IntStream, declare a reference variable. Then IntStream contains a factory method of, if you don't pass any values inside, it creates an empty sequence of IntStream object. Let us say that we want to put some data 1, 5, 10. So it creates an int stream of specified int values. Let us say how to display that. For that, take the int stream object. Now this int stream object contains only primitive data. We are going to do boxing. That is, we are going to apply the wrapper class. For that, use the function called boxed, and we can see that it returns a stream of integer object. So it returns stream of integer objects. It returns a stream of integer objects. And once we get the stream of integer object, there is a function called collect. We can collect to a list by using collectors.toList. So finally we will get an output like this: list 1, 5, 10. And let us check it. We can see that list 1, 5, 10. And now we are going to create a double stream of specified double values. For that, declare a variable of type DoubleStream and initialize it with DoubleStream.off. So off is a factory method in DoubleStream, and here we can pass some double values. And to display that, take the DoubleStream object. First apply the auto boxing, then collect it in a list. So we will get a list of 1.2, 2.3 and 3.4, and we can verify the output, and here you can see that we are getting expected output. And the next one, create a long stream of specified long values. For that, LongStream some reference equal to LongStream dot of, we can say 100 either small letter or capital letter, or even without that explicit representation. So I'm going to put capital letter 100L, 200L, 300L. Now to display that, we can put it in system.out.print. Take the LongStream object, then first apply the boxing, then collect it in a list. So here also we will get list of this data, and we can check the output too. And now we are going to create an IntStream which contains a sequential order of elements. For that, IntStream some reference variable equal to IntStream dot range. Let us say that we want to display or we want to generate from 1 to 9. For that 1, 10, the 10 will not be included. As you can see the syntax, the start inclusive and the end is exclusive. So here it gives the value from 1 to 9, and we can display the same int stream 1 dot boxed, then collect it in a list. So here we will get a stream of integer. So here in the case of DoubleStream dot boxed, here we will get a stream of double. For LongStream dot boxed, we will get stream of long object. Okay, now for the range, let us check the output. You can see from 1 to 9. Now if you want to include 10 also, there is another function called range closed. Let us create a new reference variable for IntStream. Then IntStream dot range closed 1, 10. Now it gives from 1 to 10, and we can put in a system.out.println IntStream 2 dot first do the boxing, then collect in a list. And here we can see that the 10 is also included. Similarly, we can create a sequential order of elements for LongStream. For that, LongStream dot, we can use range or range closed. Let us say 100 to 110. So here 100, 101, etc. up to 109. Now using system.out.print, LongStream 1 dot, first apply the boxing, then we can collect it in a list. And here we can see the output. For DoubleStream, there is no range nor range closed. So range and range closed can be applied only for IntStream and LongStream. In the next video, we'll discuss about how we can create stream for objects. In the next video, we'll discuss how we can manage stream of objects. Thank you for watching this video.